3 days. That's the gap between this tape measure and a sealed container leaving for the US. Here's what happens in between. I'm Spring from FBM Sourcing, a China sourcing agent for commercial building projects. We source aluminum doors and windows, tiles, lighting, and interior packages for apartment, hotel, and office builds. This is a pre-shipment inspection for a US commercial project, and the container loading that followed 3 days later. The inspection starts on the line, not in the finished goods yard. We check profiles coming off the machining line against the shop drawings, sections, colors, cut lengths, then the glazing. Every glass unit staged for assembly is matched to the window schedule because a wrong glass spec found after packing costs you weeks, not hours. Then unit by unit. These are floor-to-ceiling units, and every single one is measured against the drawing, width, height, diagonals, because on a commercial facade, a frame that's out by millimeters becomes an installation problem on site. We check the corner joints for tight, sealed seams, run the sliding panels through their travel, and inspect every glazed unit on the racks for scratches, chips, and sealant lines. Nothing here is sampled. On project orders, we check 100% of units. Once a unit passes, it moves to staging with protective film on, corners padded, glass separated. The finished goods yard is the last place to catch a problem while it's still the factory's problem. That's exactly why we inspect before packing, never after. 3 days later, loading day, every export crate is weighed and measured before it goes anywhere near the container. That's how you load to a plan instead of improvising at the container mouth. Each crate is inspected and photographed, so the client gets a documented record of what went in and where it sits. Then the forklift work, crates pushed to position, heavy units low and forward, and a crew inside the container setting the final placement by hand. Loading is supervised from the first crate to the last. 3 things this buys you as a project owner. 1. 100% of units checked against shop drawings before packing. 2. Every crate weighed, measured, and photo documented before loading. 3. Supervised loading with a report, so what arrives is what passed inspection. Sourcing doors and windows for an apartment, hotel, or office project? Send us your drawings and BOQ for commercial projects. The link is below.